Now that you have found and created activities for your students, let's take a look at how to manage them. From your Boardmaker online account, select the My Boardmaker tab from the main toolbar. This will take you to all of your activities that you've created or saved from the community. Activities are shown from newest to oldest. If you want to resort the order, use this drop-down. You are also able to use the arrows to scroll through your activities. Next to each activity is a blue toolbar. We're going to take a little time to explore each of them. You will notice that when you hover over the tools, their name appears telling you their function. The first icon you typically will see is the print tool. When selected, the system will begin to create a PDF of your activity. You will get a message indicating your PDF is preparing. When ready, either a new window will open with your PDF, or you will get a message indicating that you can continue working while the system is creating your activity. If you get this message, click Close and continue working. When your PDF is ready, you will get a notification at the green bell in the top right corner. If you want to edit an activity, you can click on the Edit tool. This will give you the option to edit in the online editor or in Studio. You are able to assign students activities by selecting the Assign Activity tool. I can see that this assignment is assigned to 0 students because there is a 0 in the circle above it. If I click on the tool, a roster of my students opens. I can click next to any of the students I want to assign this to, click Assign, and now it will be in their assignment list. The Add to Playlist tool allows you to add an activity to your playlist, which you can access from this tab here. You can reorder these activities by clicking and dragging. If you want to launch your playlist, you can click Launch the Student Center here, or from the Students drop-down, you can select My Classroom View or Student Center. Let's go back to the My Activities screen. Another tool is the Play tool. If you click Play, this will open the activity. Note that data is not collected when you play an activity using this method. Rather, it is intended for use in instruction on a computer or interactive whiteboard. If you want to organize your activities into folders, you can create a folder here, give it a name, and click Create. Now, using the Move Activity to Folder tool, I'm able to move that activity into folders to keep things organized. Folders will be within your activity list. Also in your toolbar is the Remove Activity tool. Click this button to remove any unwanted activities from your list. You may notice that some activities have a Download tool. Any activity created in Studio or with the Boardmaker disk from an older version is downloadable. Activities created in Boardmaker Online will open for editing with the online editor. Another tool I want to point out is the Create Activity Set tool at the top here. If you have several activities on the same topic or a group of activities that you may use together, for instance in circle time or to address a certain goal for a student, you can create a set and assign them to a student all at once. Give the activity set a name, a description, set your privacy, and then click Save and Continue. Once created, you will be able to drag any activities you want in that set, drag to reorder, and now you have an activity set. You can click on Load More or search in the search bar to find activities from your list. Back on my activity list, I see my Circle Time activity set at the top. When you open an activity, you will see many of the same tools that you saw on the other screen. There are a couple of additional tools I'd like to point out. Here, you can add to a group, or here, send the activity to a friend. To the right, you will see a wrench. This edit tool will allow you to edit the title, description, and other details of the activity. It is not the same as the Edit Activity tool from the toolbar. There is also a Manage Standards tool, which allows you to link the activity to Common Core or state standards. Now that you are familiar with all of these tools, you can assign, print, and organize all of your fantastic activities.